This one started directly. I didn't notice that I had my camera on in the scene. Oh, not even I checked that the bag was ready to stream. I have like a box there with information. Yeah, something like that. And much else. Like just pretty disorganized. Yeah, let's not look at that. And yep, everything is working from YouTube to Twitch. Do I even bother? In the chat. Should I? I shouldn't. But you know, at this point, is a custom. Yeah, let's do it. Had the idea to actually, I'm brilliant. Just listen to music myself. Like you guys can listen to this YouTube library music, which I don't think is bad. It's just that it's the only thing that I can really put in the stream that doesn't give me, problems. With monetization is one thing that I don't really mind, but just outright deleting the bot, it's pretty brutal. So I prefer risking that. I shouldn't even be talking about that because the only thing that matters now, at least, is the fact that I am okay, 3. What is this doing here? Yeah, like this. And this will be, she will put a terminal here with the C session. I think last time we were here, oh, this is BIM. Alt N, no. Alt N, yeah. Last time we were here, we will just completing the the name to the 2-c problem, which I will show on the screen actually. Let's adjust the camera to, oh, whatever. Like that's better. Yeah, screen. Show you. This one. We did a lot of, actually I needed help. I remember the last time we did a lot of, I had to do it because I don't know if you guys have this problem. Is it even a problem? It's like oh, this cable too is like a little flimsy. Low. I can't really tap it or it breaks. Here we go. Does it sound good?
1, 3, 2, 3. 1, wonder kind. 1, kind. Wonder kind. Wonder kind. Wonder kind. Wonder kind.
Here we go. Uh, Wonder kind. I also added some feature to. It's whatever. Uh, okay, this. We're basically doing a bit of a bit manipulation program, I guess. And we use this table a lot. That's everything that I had to set up. The other time too, this happened. I also couldn't. Uh, like I can say I got. What was I about to say? I don't remember. Well, whatever. Shouldn't be important. No, yeah, I remember now. The time. Yeah, I had to actually use the tablet to visualize not the requirements themselves, but the solution. How should it work? So I guess we will have to do something similar with this one. Uh, now we've completed the 2-6 problem of a trouble speaking today. Okay, copy this. Okay, so what do we need? Okay, we need. I think we'll pass directly to the tablet because I really can't explain this somehow differently. Basically, okay, what they want is a function that returns the x with the n bits that begin position p inverted. Okay, as numbers, bits grow from right to left. So they're basically telling me, oh, I'm doing this. Let's build a 8-bit number. So starting from, okay, this is P, and this is N. And this is X. So how would we do this? Okay, we could make a copy of this. What was the function that we used before? I think it's easier if I... Oh, well. We could use set bits for that. So we just need a function that grabs we just need a function that grabs this piece and makes it like a variable. How do we do that? I don't know yet. I don't want to look at what I did before. I will use the other function because that's pretty obvious. But I won't go as far as looking at what I did in that function to build this one. I should be able to know. We have, okay, I remember some things. Like I remember we used two functions. Use the how function. Actually, my how function. Because basically, to use the how function that the standard library uses, we needed to do some weird thing with the compiler, and I was like, well, if they didn't taught me that in this book, it probably means that it's something more advanced than my actual domain, and that I don't need to use that yet, I guess. So, and to create the power one, because we need the sum of power numbers. Now, I don't remember what name did I put there. I guess we could do a SOPN in lowercase. SOPN. So that we get this basically. Yeah. And we just have to shift this and just or this to this, and then we get that. Yeah. So let's create it as a variable, of course, as before. The SOPN of n equals a shift to get B, which is gonna be the shifted. Okay, B, it's basically gonna be X or A. No, actually not. It's gonna be the X. I think this is right shift. Oh, actually, I guess this is the P, not the N. Sorry, A. One thing that we could do to check that things are working are basically shifting N and P and not making it or them not be the same, because we could have a case where we actually think it's P, but it's actually N, or the opposite. I don't know why I'm getting hungry. I think I'll I'll get something later. This one is gonna be B, and the result is basically gonna be this. So then we do how is the function name? Set bets. Set bets X, E, N, and D. Like this. My POW is usually recursive. And actually, some of power numbers is actually recursive too. We could do it as a loop, but I don't know. Like, I guess for me, somehow doing some things recursively sounds more enticing, like interesting, than just do loops. Yep. Yep, let's do it. Of what I need, and we just need to put it in the canvas. So we're gonna include the. Let's see if I don't, if I didn't forget everything. Hashtag include cdio.h. We're also declare the functions. So my pow int the comma, I guess, semicolon. I say dot comma semicolon. It's better. Soon I can even pronounce it properly. So else, sorry, SOPN, just gonna take an int. It's also the set bits, just gonna take a int int the what do we need? The the actual function. I don't know that. There was a name. I guess it will be no. Invert. Okay. Invert and oh, there it was. Okay, and I think that's it. So int main, I'm gonna return 0. We're just gonna call invert print f percentage t. Let me get a random number from the browser, I guess. If I Google it, maybe, yep. 1 2024. 705. Okay, 705. Yeah, percentage D. I don't know what I thought that so let's do original number. Let's do inverted number. Inverted 2 bits. And move to positions 2 bits on position 2 from position 2 number. And this one's gonna be percentage D. Close. I'm gonna go comma, invert. So 5, comma 2, comma 2. This one's gonna be the one of the dumbest things that I will do, but I will put the number here and the other function too. So, okay, that's the main function. We're also gonna have my pow function, which is gonna take base, int, base, and exponent. And then we're gonna have duration, the statement. How's this called? The expression, the statement of the function, statements of the function, I guess. The statements of the function is gonna go a little something like turn if e equals 0, return 1. If else, return my ow b comma b per my pow b comma e minus 1 dot comma semicolon. That's it. Okay, the next one is gonna be int. Let's leave set bits to be the final one. So I don't get stained by the previous function, previous program. Structure, I guess. So okay, int invert. No, actually, SOPN. Just need an int. Say B. Guess SO binary numbers. SOPBN. So we get an int B. The statements are gonna be basically pretty similar. If equals 0, actually, what's the same? Okay, I remember. It was the same, just that we uh we go my pow 2 comma B per SOPBN 3 plus SOPBN P minus 1. What happens when it's 0? There possibility that I get no, right? Because when it's 1, even if it would were the case, that wouldn't be a problem by itself. Let's hope for the best. I think this will fail. I mean, let's go through a case. If I start calling it with 3, the first loop will go it's now 1. Sorry, it's now 1. So call 2 to the 2, which is 4. Just actually correct. Because n has to be greater than 0. The thing is, I don't remember if I did that same distinction in the the previous function. I remember the position was like 0 is the starting position, 1 is the second one, and 2 is the third one. But in terms of bits, I don't know if they follow the same. We'll check later, I guess. Just that will be a bug, I believe. But yeah, I still think about it for now. Okay, let's implement invert. I have my I look here because I have my tablet with things that I just wrote, which are basically okay. First, we're gonna input the int x, int b, int n. I was able to say like when no, that doesn't make sense. Yeah, let's forget about it. Okay, yeah. So first of all, int a equals so p bn n. And b equals x roll to the right. I believe this is the one. This is the one that's roll to the right by p positions, or a equals b. Oh, I'm sorry. Last part doesn't fly. Why didn't the b come out? Did I delete it? Erase it somehow? The next one is set bits. This is gonna be the return value. X, B, N, B. There we go. Now we just need the other functions. We're gonna go ahead and go bim 2-5. I don't know which one is which. No. What is this function? Huh. Okay. No, I was right. Chill. Oh, forgot about that. This one actually reminded me. Actually, I didn't did that for like none of these ones. This is gonna return an int. This one an int. This one an int. And so on. Music is super the absolute opposite of loud. I supremely hate that I have to do this. It seems so janky and sellish. Oh, not even that basis. Stream and just make a replacement of actual trying to make create any new variable here. So I'm gonna abuse heavily of parentheses. It's okay. X and C, D is B, D, C is all right. I forgot about that. Okay. We just need something, but I forgot. Absolutely forgot that I have to negate. Which I believe is that one. Immediately replace A by SO, EVN, N, and B is actually SO, P, VN, man. Oh, I highly doubt that this will work just outright. Oh. Let's actually see if a number makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to the tablet and see, right? Review it bit by bit. 2 to the 10, so basically 2024. So we know that that we need at least a 10-bit number to show if the result's actually that one. So let me go ahead and change to the tablet. Tablet. Okay, so let's first try to get 705 from that one. Okay, so modifying those two will mean modifying this. So that will be 1011001101. So I know a strike that this is incorrect. Result with respect. I'm so tired. I don't even know why. Let me recheck all, see if it's correct. Yep. Let me double check by looking at there's a little bit, no, number to bit, number to binary. To binary conversion. So 705 10 011 00001 717. Yep. Correct. So we could always just see things to see if they're not what we expected. So we could go here first. Oh my god, I hate that I kept doing that. Printf percentage d comma a. This one should be 3. What? Kill. Let's first printf my POW to oh, I'm so dumb. I mean, are we even passing the like? Let's try typical 5 to 2 to 5. Let's do 2 to the 5, which should be let's do 2 to the 10, which I know the result of. So, yeah, it's correct. Like the my POW function is working correctly. Let's try the SOPVN function. SOPVN. Let's try with 2 at the beginning. It should be 3. It's giving me 1. Okay, to the 1. Super. Okay, let's one of these two is giving me 0 back, which it shouldn't, but it is. What happens if I go 3? Does it go like instead of even 1 here, just give me 3? 7 will do, or will do. What? Let me try something. This shouldn't work. Yeah. So clearly there's something. Actually, what happens in my POW if I give it a 2,1? That's actually good. Hmm. Okay. I'm starting to believe it has to do with the indentation. So maybe explicit on that one. Okay, I get it now. It wasn't. Yeah. This is correct. Correct. And we get the correct result, actually. So we can actually go ahead and try to give this a cramped result. So for that we're gonna have to go we can try with an easier number, like 3. Like, okay, let me 3. 1 2. No, actually 1 1. No, actually from 0 1 3 1 position 0. I think there's a bug with the way I implement this. Now that I think about it. Okay. Oh, I wasn't showing that at all. I can't believe it. I can't. I wasn't showing this like at all. Oh my god. Such a fucking dumbass. Well, let's go back to the tablet. I want to show you this. What I'm thinking is 3 is basically 1 1. So if we go from position 1 and take 1 bit, it should be this. But it doesn't. which is making me believe that I implemented this incorrectly. Let's see what it does in this case. It will get X, roll it 1, then grab that, multiply it with SOPBUE and 1, which returns 1. So we're clear there. Okay, wasn't there something that we needed to invert? Yeah, I think that's the reason. God again. I forgot again. Oh, the music's actually pretty loud now. I think you guys more or less hear me. Just like this. Like I want to check first if set bets works. 101 is 5. 5. So 5, comma, E is 2, N is 2. Okay, let's. Okay, and one is 10. Nine is correct. Okay, so let me check this logic. This sounds so loud, man. I don't get it. the equivalent of gramming doing 1 1 1 1? If this is 1, I don't know what is going on. Okay. Okay. Well, this is not like a me error. It's an error in general. Ah. I don't I don't get why this doesn't work. It should work. Like it should work. It should work. Ugh. Curiously, the problem is in the set bits function. Pretty cool. So let's draw what I'm trying to do with example. It's basically okay, so what I'm trying to do is basically grab from the first position, the first bit, the first n bits, which is just one bit. So the first one bit, and replace the x function, x functions, x values, and nth position up to n bits. So it's the first position, which is this is the 0th. This is the first. So that's what it means. The first position with the first bit up to 1 bit. So basically the result is 0 1, which is 1. Now let's see what the operation below does. So it does 1 1 and well, yeah, let's do the and not SOPBN N, which is 1. I get it. I get it now. But not really, actually. So this is an or. One. Like this is 0, 1. Okay, so this is all correct unless the tilde there is not which m- you know, let me check the book. Let me check which part is like. Let me take the original version of this function. We command this one because I prefer to express it in a um like a summarized way, I guess. But at the same time, this doesn't work, so I can I can do much with it. So let me go ahead and bim one. It's bim 2 dash 6.co. Oh, you're insane shit. So I just commented this, and I'm gonna right now go ahead and space this. I don't know why the fuck now pacing here doesn't work. Oh, like I know that there's a difference between two implementations. Let's ignore that by now. Why am I getting even getting like a buffer overflow, which I believe is zero means basically. I don't know. So I guess we'll do the same thing from tablet with this one. Is we're passing it the same thing. So A equals PV and 1 minus 1. This one equals okay. This I think we'll have to actually base our cases like like the opposite of what we're doing basically. Cool. For fuck's sake. I should have a tablet and terminal scene. Let me see what I can do. works. Pretty ugly, actually. Yeah. Um. So, yeah. Uh, I will try to talk as little as possible and try to concentrate on this one. Also, to say that I need to change this, but thinking about it, it doesn't make sense. Because y minus 1, this context means that we have to return that is 0. SOPVN with a argument of 0, we have to return 1. Is equal to 1 0 shifted right 1 or 1 just 01, which is equal to 1 or 01. Oh, sorry, which basically means oh 01. It's okay. D equals 01 right shifted by P, which means O. E equals 1 and C, which is 01, which means 01. Then we go E or D, which equals 01. So this should be 1. And the result is now the 1. That is the thing that I don't understand. So now that I have all the results here, what I will do now is basically go printing them line by line and see which one mismatches. And then we'll have the answer to what is actually failing. I have to say, in general, I didn't thought much about the edge cases of this one. And by flexion, I guess, the other ones too. So we'll see. Like, we're not gonna consider those ones too. But there are, consider that there are edge cases that I haven't judged, I guess. So one minus 3. One minus 3, 2, 1. Of course, we're gonna see if that makes sense. The thing is that shifted, sorry, negated 01 is actually not, that is true. It's actually not 10. It's actually 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. Sorry, 1 0. But this should be minus 2 if I'm not correct. Uh Let me see if I can make it easy. Oh my god. Okay. What is going on?